Good day, YouTubes. I want to show you my lawnmower. Here's my lawnmower. That's a Honda mower. Has a 16 horsepower Honda engine. I've been using it quite a few times now. It's a nice machine. As you can see, I've been using it a lot because there's grass all over the top of the deck. So I'll do a start up here for you real quick, tubes. That sounds great. Yeah, that's my Honda lawnmower. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at that lawnmower. Please let me know. Please rate, and we'll see you the next time. Please subscribe to my channel.